In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the password requirement for AirDrop and Handoff connections on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple logo up in the top left, and then go down and select System Settings. And then once that's open here, you want to select the General button on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to select AirDrop and Handoff. And then where it says require password at the bottom, click the little oval in order to toggle that on. Type in whatever you want the AirPlay password to be, and then select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.